Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a review of the Bad Blood David Mosier designed Yokai. Judging from the size of the knife, it is obviously for large EDC. Better in a bag, these kind of knives. It's got the light brown or Khaki G-10 scales, and it's got the Tanto blade up front. Nice grind on the blade with the Tanto, very solid. It's the logo here, Bad Blood David Mosier design. Lock. Lock on this one sticks. There, you see that? You need to have it. It's not as smooth as I'd want to. Detent is a bit weak. See? Just a little push. You shouldn't be able to push that out, especially for a big blade like this. That's why when you fire it, because of the weak detent, doesn't have that just by finger action alone. I can't reach the lock. I can reach the ball. I can hear it. See the ball? That's the ball. That's the ball. I think that was cheating. Weak ball. I can't. I need the small flick of the wrist. See? There. That's it. You can't make a monkey knife swim like a shark knife would. But when it's deployed, I don't think that lock would be giving anytime soon. It's gonna be a solid knife when you need the use for it. Smooth back spacer here. Chunky liners. Thick blade. What's the blade steel? Sorry. CR14 MOV. Hallmark Cutlery made this knife, branded it Bad Blood for David Mosier, for this David Mosier design. It's called the Yokai. So Japanese Yokai. I think that's okay for Japan. I saw it with Yamato. Anyways, this is a chunky knife. You know, you have a knife in your hand. As always, our trusty weighing scale. Ta-da! 8.6 ounces, 8.5 ounces, 8.5 ounces, 0.53 pounds, 243 grams, 2.243 kilograms, and 8.5 ounces. Yeah, more than 5 ounces. So definitely not the carry on your person type of knife, but you can if you're just roaming around in a field, of course. This is my sub. He's the substitute for my go bag. For my go bag. Lock is sticking on this one, and my gloves is getting in the way. That's already open, and just fold it. Well, so you can hear it when. I hope it doesn't deploy. It doesn't. It won't. So that's good. Accidental deployment of a knife is not good. Coming from a bag and that knife is already halfway open, and how this is gonna be carried like that, tip up carry because of the blade. So when you pull this knife and it's already half open, that blade is gonna hit something going up. Not bad, not good, because when it goes up and it goes into this sharp end, and all that bag is gonna be torn. So it's important that the detent is strong. This one not as strong. There's movement. See, that's the lock position, how it should be. It should be fired from that position, but no, this one, when you apply pressure on the flipper here, it will move. See, it should not move. There should not, that step there, it should not be present. It should be, when you apply the flipper, it should be holding in that position, and then when it breaks, it just flies out. Because of that half step, you need to have the flicker to flick with the wrist to have it opened. There. Because the detent is not strong. Flipping a flipper knife is best when the detent, that capture, see, that capture there needs to be strong, so you send the blade flying out when you flip. Maybe this is just a sample for this knife, and not all of the kind of these knives would have that problem, but this example in my possession doesn't have that good a detent. That's why it doesn't flip as well. And you would know that these kind of flippers like this, you're more prone to accidents, because it's not the flipping action is not working 100%. So it's not as much fun to play with. But with this knife is a heavy duty knife, and it's a field knife, and once it's extended out of its bag, do its job, clean it off, put it back in, and that's it. You have a knife that's compact again. So yeah, this is my review for the Bad Blood Yokai. And thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys the next time.